Hello guys, so today is my sister's loose twist day. Today I'll be making her loose twist and this is what we have. But let me carry you guys through the process of how we're able to achieve this beautiful twist. Hello guys, you're welcome to today's video. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Deedee. Please have a seat. Do not forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit the subscribe button and like, comment and share. So let's get right into today's video. So here we're just checking my sister's length, and she was just so happy for how far her hair has actually come. And people very close to us will understand why, because she has always dealt with so many health issues, like from the very beginning of our life, even up until now. But we're thanking God for how far our health has come. And so far, this is like the first time in a very long time that her hair did not shed excessively, is not breaking, looks healthy. She has the thickest of forces that I've ever handled, and her hair is like, you can see the bounce, the elasticity in it. It's just so good. I had to like really encourage her to always take her routine serious. She's not someone who takes her routine serious. When we're not staying together at the time, she would always go to any salon to get her hair done, and they would always comb, detangle any hair. Her hair was always breaking. So it took time for me to help her put the hair in order, and also had to like encourage her to also always moisturize her hair. That was the biggest issue. And also there were just a few underlying health issues that also really greatly affected her hair. Now look at this curl. She has very beautiful hair. When I mean she has very beautiful hair, she has very beautiful. Her curl pattern is even a bit different from mine. She has this very nice curl. Even her baby hairs, so beautiful. I keep wondering where I took mine from, but anyways, that's not the point of this video. Let's focus. The plan is to make her own loose twist a bit tinier than what I did for my friend in the last video, and that's because she plans to take hers like for a longer period of time. But still, the back will still be tinier than the front, as long as it's me, because who do you want to stand that long? Look at that bounce. Anyways, who wants to stand this? Have you seen how full her hair is? We actually have this very dense hair in our house. Genetically, we have really full hair, so that one I already know what I'm dealing with, and I always run away from making her hair. I have an issue with standing for too long. It's always a problem for me, and that was one of the reasons why I stopped hairdressing a very long time ago. And if I stand for too long, I tend to feel very dizzy, very weak, leg pain. The drama is just like too much. I don't get myself for like the next 24 hours, so I try to always minimize how much I stand. And yes, I knew making her hair, I was in for a very big task, so I had to just be wise and advise myself. So I did not make this down part, the back, too tiny like what the front was going to look like, but still I still made it tinier than what we made for Ped the other time, because she plans to take her hair for like I think 2 months or something, so I have to do that. Then as usual, I will always wrap the down part of the hair to just give it a very complete look. So now we're done with that other part, and just look at this part of the hair. It looks like I've never started making anything at all. That's it. See, her hair is full. I don't know who said to me walk over. But anyways, we've already started. There's nothing we can do. I got to this part of this hair and I noticed that there were some curls that were there. I'd never seen that on her hair before. And I started asking her some questions like, did you actually comb your hair well the last time you took down your hair? She was like, Whenever my sister just answers it, that means she did not. And she couldn't even remember if she did. And that's what I'm talking about. All this I don't care character, nonchalant character to your hair is what we're not making. We went back and forth with the whole issue, but anyways, that was on a lighter note. If you got to this part of this video, please like this video, and do not forget to share. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching from, and let me know the kind of videos you'd like me to make. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Also, in the description box, we have a link to the ultimate guide to growing your hair. It's a book, and if you want to grow your hair and you don't have time to sit down and be talking about it or watching videos, please just purchase the book. Everything you need to know about your hair growth, protective styling, your hair porosity, density, and myths about hair, how to make your hair grow, growth strategies, and name it. It's all in that book. So you want to actually check out that book and purchase it The link is there to purchase. So purchase it, read it, and let me know what you think about it. Do not forget to leave a review. Anyways, let's get back to our video. I think I would like to try out different hairstyles. I mean for myself. So if you have any hairstyle ideas that you think I should try out, I mean very simple ones. I can't do too much to my hair because it's so much drama if I try to. So if you have any nice hairstyle ideas, you can let me know in the comment the kind of hairstyles you'd like me to try out. If you have a picture of it, you can leave it in the community part of my page and just tag me to it. I would see it and I'll see if I can try it out. I need hairstyles idea. I've had this jumbo twist on my hair for about 2 months now, going to 2 months. I need to do something about it and change my life. So please help a sister in need and recommend any nice style that you think I can try out. I don't think I want to do twist. I don't know if I want to do braids. Mini braids has been on my mind, but I think I want to style my hair a lot this period for you guys. So there's only one way for that to work. You will have to suggest and help me. A friend in need is a friend. Friend in need is a friend indeed. Friend in need is a friend indeed. Was that how they said it? Anyways, I need you guys help, so please help me. Gotten to this part of the hair, we have come a long way. Actually, it took us about, I think, was it 3-4 hours thereabouts to get this done. Yes, I think about 3-4 hours to get this done, and it was nice all through. But at this time, I was already feeling very dizzy, and I was trying everything I could to like hurry up and just like summarize the whole thing, which I did. Again, if you did not watch the previous video, I said it there that you don't need any gel to give the bounce. You just need to make the twist very loose when it comes to the body part. I always start the twist with braid, and then I twist the first 2 tight, then I release my hand. The hair naturally bounces on its own. You don't need any special product. The only thing I used for this hair was a leave-in conditioner. I didn't even use butter. I forgot to use butter to seal in the hair. I didn't even use oil for our hair because our hair already had products prior to this time. So I just made use of water to hydrate and to help the leave-in conditioner penetrate properly. That was all I used. So you don't need too much. As long as you have either 4 type hair or 3 type hair, you're good to go. The hair looks like it was made with an extension, but it's just a natural hair. And if you watch the previous video, you would also see that the hair also looked really good. You don't need any extra product. I'm just repeating it, guys. So in case you want to go and get your hair somewhere and then they tell you need to pay for a certain kind of product to help the hair bounce, you don't need it. Anyone who knows how to make this hairstyle properly will get it done properly without adding any form of whatever thing to it. So do not be deceived, okay? I've given you heads up already. So as usual, for this end part of the hair, I just love to wrap the hair around the tip properly so that it doesn't loosen and so that it is properly sealed and gives that complete bounce. Just take a look at this juicy loose twist. My god, you guys need to try out this hairstyle. Honestly, length it does not matter if you have length or you don't have length. Look at how neat this hair is, and it's not painful at all. Of course, my hand does not even used to pain. And look at the curls. See how bouncy and juicy it is. I wish I could just put this on my head right now. Anyways, if you got to this part of this video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging around with me and hanging out with me. Do not forget to like. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comments. Let me know if you're going to be trying this out. Let me know the kind of hairstyle you want me to try out next. And do not forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and yes, let me know where you're watching from. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Enjoy this beautiful view. Bye, guys.